This is danmuji, sweet radish. Dan means sweet, mu means radish, ji means a kind of pickle. So we need this one to make kimbab. It looks really yummy. This is handmade. I cut radish like this. Water 500 milliliter, 300 milliliter, altogether 800 milliliter. Sugar 200 milliliter. 1 spoon of salt. I will add vinegar later after boiling. And 8 Chija. I'll put in the sack. Tie. And I'll put in the pot and bring to a boil. Around 3 minutes. Wow, it's so beautiful. And I will add vinegar. Vinegar 300 milliliter. And turn it off. After cooling off, you can pour into the radish, and that's all. Pour the water into the pot. You can have this one an hour later and then put in the fridge and use for next time.